on the dotted line. Let's look out for your freedom ring and patriotic voices sing. Red, white, blue, never give up. You represent America.
Hoping and praying for a brighter day. I listen to my heart and I obey. How can I see it any other way? I'm looking at my life with my own eyes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota at the newly remodeled Cenax gas station. And we're also looking at a brand new car wash that was built about, I think, maybe a couple of years ago. Something like that. Now, they only got one bay open with this one. And it'll all be revealed to what it is. Yeah, look at that. Brand new dryer system, new signage, lights, all that good stuff. Alright, at the code dispatch, we're going to take a look at our wash code. Right now it is, excuse my hands, it's like about 420828. Okay. Touch enter when finished and press the corresponding buttons. We have to open the door a bit. Okay. So 4, 2, 0, 8, 2, 8, confirm. Nope. No, thank you. Alright, we are good. Alright. We're in another new car here. Meet the 2002 Honda Accord. 3-liter engine. 4-speed automatic transmission. Alright, wash begins. Starting out with our double pass pre-soak. Okay, here comes phase 2 pre-soak. It has a sunroof just like the old Alero does. Okay, we're gonna let the car soak for a bit. Alright, here comes the laser wash. Alright, looks like we're on our triple foam. Alright, got an overglow here. Alright, got laser blast. Yeah, that's laser blast. The ones that blast the pressure washer on the sides. Alright, comes our spot-free rinse. Dryer's just activated. Alright, I'm gonna hang this up then. About 50 seconds. If you're wondering about the logos on the window there, that is my Sonic logo. What do you think of it? Cool, huh? Oh, I suppose you want to see the dryers too. Better move a little bit quicker because I'm running out of time. I've only got 10 seconds. And I'm out of time. Oh well. Well, I think this was an amazing wash. Well, let me hear from you guys. What do you guys think? I'll tell you what I'll do. If you guys like the video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. And then, if you love our videos from the Simplex Center, from the Simplex Center YouTube channel, including Simplex 405120, Educational Television, No Limits 2-PSI, and Empire Builder, go ahead and subscribe for more videos. And also hit the notification button, that way you don't miss a video from me. But until then, we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!